Alright guys, here it is. The Realme GT 5G. This phone's gonna get a lot of attention. It's a powerhouse for a good price. Quick rundown of the specs, which I already know that you know. It is a 6.43 inch 120 hertz refresh screen. It's got a 4500 milliamp hour battery. The main camera on it is 64 megapixel, and it is run by the Snapdragon 888. That's the selling point here. We got that. This is the dual SIM version of the phone. And this particular one, I'm not saying that every single version I get is going to be this one. However, this is the China mainland version. What does that mean? It means it doesn't run the global ROM. What does that mean? It means it doesn't come with Google Play pre-installed. But it's not a problem. It can easily be installed. I'll happily do it for you. If you want the global ROM, that's also very simple. I can tell you how to do it. Just drop a comment or a like. But I have a feeling most people buying this phone know what they're getting into and therefore can figure it out themselves. So without further ado, if you buy this one from me, that is, again, this is the China mainland version. I'm not telling anyone it's not, and I'll do another video for the global one when I get it. This is what you're gonna get if you order from me. Got the Realme writing, you have the Chinese GT 5G. Take the top off. Have a little insert here that has SIM eject tool, and then there is a case as well as some documents. You see here, it's the RMX2202. It's a flexi case. It's one of the ones that I like. It's not intrusive, and you'll be pleased with it. It has a USB cable right here. It's USB-A to USB Type-C. And then we have the phone right here, which I gotta take this out. This particular one, China, they do use the same exact plug as us, but if you feel more comfortable with an adapter, I will include one anyways. You stick it on the end. That's how it works. It works just fine. No complaints there. Then we have the actual phone itself. Microphone on the top, hole punch camera right there, SIM tray, volume up and down, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, microphone, USB-C, speaker. Then we have the power button on the side with the color. This is the blue one, and it's got a really cool shade of blue on it. You can probably see. You can see the 3 cameras in the back, Realme. Again, this one is the China ROM. You can easily install Google Play on it. I can happily tell you how to do it, or I can install it before I send it out to you. However, if you like the global ROM, it can also be flashed. It's the same exact phone hardware-wise, so there's nothing to worry about there. Either way, I know this one's getting a lot of questions. I'm happy to answer them. I look forward to your business when you choose to buy one, but just keep in mind that the global version is going to cost significantly more when this is the same exact product that you can easily flash. So just keep all that in mind. Either way, this has been the Realme GT 5G, and I look forward to your business, guys. Thank you so much.